Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got Koruri Watchfaces in the building with another awesome digital fitness watch face. This one is nice. The name of it is called KS140. In the AOD mode, you are going to get the exact same look. It's going to be in a black and white theme look, which is nice. Now, once the watch face is on, you're going to get his logo at the top, which I like. And you're also going to get your date information. To the right of that, you will get your moon phase. And down at the bottom here, you'll get your battery info. Now, I am liking the font on this digital time. I thought it looked really good. And you also get your step status info like floors climbed, calories burned, miles walked or ran. You're going to get your step information, and over to the left you will get your heart rate information with a few shortcuts. So if you need to make a phone call, it is interactive. You can tap right into the phone and make a phone call right from here. You're going to go into your weather if you need to. And also, if you need to set an alarm, you can set an alarm as well. But if you need to go into your step status info, like calories burned, get your step status info, heart rate information, things of that nature, you'll be able to tap into it at will with no problem. Now, if I tap up here, I will be able to go into my calendar. I can set an event if I so choose. But I can customize the color theme of this watch face just a little bit, right? Which I thought was nice. I can change the color of the digital time. I can mix and match however I see fit. I thought that was pretty cool. And if I tap in the middle, I can change that too as well. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. And if I double tap up at the top, I can change the color theme of my step information and my date. Just double tap. Cycle through the many different colors that this developer had to offer with this watch face, and I thought it was pretty nice. I thought he did a really good job with such a casual, dressed down fitness watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.